Good morning, dear. Welcome to online class. Standard 3rd. Subject Social Science. Unit 2, Session 8. Topic about Army, Navy and Traffic Police. Today we learn about Army, Navy and Traffic Police. Now let us learn at each of them in detail. Cuties, who save our country from our enemies? Do you know? Very good. Yes, soldiers. The army is the part of a country's military that fights on the ground. People in the army are called soldiers. Many modern armies have vehicles such as tanks, airplanes and helicopters to help soldiers fight on the ground. A soldier may be a volunteer, someone who joins something because they want to, or he may be forced by the government to join the army. Forcing men to join the army is called conscription. To draft, voluntary armies tend to be small by numbers but high in confidence and quality. Draft armies are large but often lacking in confidence and in quality. It may be very difficult to force someone to risk his life against his will. Soldiers do many things, from shooting enemies to digging defensive trenches. They are used to defend their country or attack another country's army. It is difficult and soldiers must be in good shape, both physically and mentally. A soldier is supplied with weapons such as guns, knives and other simple gear for surviving in the battlefield, such as food, water, clothes and tent. They must keep good care of the items. Some soldiers train to be a doctor for the army or other civilian duties. The next one, Navy. A navy or sea force is the branch of a nation's armed forces principally designated for naval and amphibious warfare, namely lakeborne, riverine, littoral or ocean-borne, combat operations and related functions. Naval warfare developed when humans first fought from waterborne vessels. The development of large capacity sail-powered ships carrying cannon led to a rapid expansion of European navies, especially the Spanish and Portuguese navies, which dominated in the 16th and early 17th centuries and helped propel the age of exploration and colonialism. The mass and deck space required to carry a large number of cannon made or based propulsion impossible. England emerged as a major naval power in the mid-17th century in the First Anglo-Dutch War with a technical victory. The French Navy won some important victories near the end of the 17th century, but a focus upon land force led to the French Navy's relative neglect, which allowed the Royal Navy to emerge with an ever-growing advantage in size and quality, especially in tactics and experience from 1695. As a response to growing naval influence of the navies of Portuguese, the warrior king of the Marathas, Shivaji laid the foundations of the Maratha Navy in 1654. Children, do you know who controlled the traffic? Tell me the answer. Very good. Traffic police. Traffic police or traffic officers, often referred to colloquially as traffic cops, or police officers who direct traffic or serve in a traffic or roads policing unit enforcing rules of the road. Traffic police include officers who patrol major roads and also policing who address traffic infractions on other roads. It has been noted that traffic police, who are regarded as peripheral to most police forces, participate in both authoritative intervention and symbolic justice. Perhaps alone of all the assignments, traffic or full service police, they are different from the rest, however, because their work is limited to a particular venue, namely public thoroughfares, and to particular people, namely those who operate motor vehicles, but in terms of work, traffic police are detective as well as patrol officers. Road traffic began to increase in volume and speed during the 18th century, and the above mix of practice led to a clear need for some legal rule making. In response, in 1722, the Lord Mayor of London appointed 3 men to ensure that traffic kept to the left and did not stop on London Bridge. They were possibly the world's first traffic police. Cuties, what do you mean by traffic rules? Traffic rules are the rules given by traffic police for the protection or for the safe driving which can prevent accident. It is most important rules for the driver to make his/her driving safe. All citizens and drivers should follow traffic rules. Cuties, why is a traffic policeman so important? They perform an absolutely vital role. Here the roads are a better place with them. Traffic officers tend to patrol in pairs and drive high visibility 4x4 patrol vehicles. This means that if necessary, traffic officers can to broken down and abandoned vehicles to clear obstruction. Cuties, what is the function of traffic police? The basic aim is to regulate traffic, enforce traffic laws, issue driving license, and render help to road users and accident victims. Apart from traffic laws enforcement, traffic police also concentrate on traffic education and inculcate traffic laws and educate public on road safety. Cuties, what is the role of traffic police in India? Traffic officers are sworn in police, but they focus almost exclusively on maintaining traffic safety and efficiency on the roads. This is the focus of their duties, which can include directing traffic, managing accidents, administering federal traffic money, and educating the public on laws and safety guidelines. Students, can you able to understand the lesson clearly? Okay. Today homework, draw a traffic signal neatly in A4 sheet. Okay students, we will meet the next class. Happy learning. Thank you.